You have created emails inside your ActiveCampaign account. You have them in draft, you have scheduled it, you have sent it, but sometimes you just want to document it in one document, or maybe you want to change a new autoresponder and you want to have all the old emails stored somewhere. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can download the emails from your ActiveCampaign account and store it in a folder somewhere else. Okay, before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more digital marketing tips that you can use for your business. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it and let me jump into my ActiveCampaign account. Let's go. Alright, first of all, let's go to your ActiveCampaign account. So this is where we will download or print your emails that you have sent previously, or you're on the way of sending in draft and things like that. First of all, go to campaigns. This is where you send all your campaigns. Right, there's a few ways where you can print the email. I'm going to show you the two difficult ways first, but you stay on. There will be one very simple way for you to do. Okay, first of all, go status. Pick any status that you want, draft or schedule or whichever. But for draft, it's different compared to the others. Right, the others is already, the email is already ready to send, but draft is different. So I just gonna click, for example, send. So these are emails that have been sent. So click on the email campaign and then just click on preview and click on print. Print and you save. That's it. Okay, for drafts, let me show you where you can do it for draft. Click on drafts. Click on the campaign. So instead of a very nice easy preview there, you have to go to preview here, test and preview, and then you can click on desktop preview and then click on print, and there you can save. There's one very easy way right now for you to do it. Let's go to campaigns again. So these are all the campaign, whether it is draft or send, they're all here. So instead of going in one by one, you can just go to the left. So this is one very easy way. I shall show you the first, but I want you to stay on. Click on preview and immediately it shows here. All you have to do is just click print and you're done. So it is that simple, it is that easy. If you want to print or save your emails out of ActiveCampaign so that you can refer it in the future.